Our course takes you on an enlightening journey, starting with the basic principles of edge computing. It breaks down the complex concepts into easy-to-understand segments, ensuring you grasp the fundamentals before moving on to more advanced topics. It's a thorough, comprehensive guide to understanding and mastering edge computing. But that's not all. The course also provides opportunities for practical application. Engage in hands-on projects that simulate real-world scenarios, reinforcing the skills you've learned and preparing you for the challenges of the industry. Don't just take our word for it. Previous students have found the course immensely beneficial. One of them said, "I appreciated the real-world examples and hands-on projects. It's exactly what I needed to excel in edge computing." So, are you ready to be at the forefront of the computing revolution? Don't let this opportunity slip away. Enroll now in Edge Computing. Master the next frontier of computing on Udemy. Visit the course URL for exclusive promotional pricing and limited-time offers. The future of computing is here, and it's waiting for you. Enroll now and master the next frontier with Edge Computing.